Hello, my name is Antoine Minet, and I will present you one application of the OCaml programming language, the Astray Static Analyzer. Astray is a research project that started in 2001 by a team at École Normale Supérieure under the supervision of Patrick Couzeau. It led to the design of the software that is used in several industries, such as avionics or automotive industries. It's available commercially, and it's also an example of a large program made in OCaml. Astray is a static analyzer for C. It checks for the absence of runtime errors, such as array overflow or memory errors. The check is static at compile time, as opposed to testing, and it focuses on embedded critical C, a field where it's important to ensure the absence of error before the program is ever run. So Astray works directly on the original source code without any help or annotation from the user. To scale up to million-line size programs, Astray must do approximations. For instance, the values of a variable may be modeled as an interval, which is an over-approximation easily representable in memory as a pair of bonds. These approximations are always sound. They will result in over-approximating the set of behaviors of the program, so that if Astray does not find any error, then there is actually no error in the original source code. So Astray is based on the abstract interpretation framework, which helps in defining approximation in such a sound way. Due to over-approximation, the analysis may report false alarms. So actually, Astray employs dozens of such abstract domains in addition to intervals in order to be sufficiently precise. Before its industrialization, Astray was used in academia in order to check avionics code from Airbus plane. On this code, Astray achieved an unprecedented result, the proof of absence of runtime error, that is, zero false alarm. Now Astray is industrialized and available commercially from the Absinthe company. Why is OCaml such a great tool to design a static analyzer? There are two language features that are used pervasively in Astray. The first one is abstract data types. So the union type in OCaml is a perfect tool to manipulate abstract syntax trees. Astray manipulates a lot of abstract syntax trees that represent parts of the program to analyze. For instance, Astray may need to evaluate a C expression in the world of intervals. So Astray will use pervasively pattern matching in order to iterate over the syntax tree and recognize special instructions to handle. The second one is modules and functors. Astray is a very modular tool that contains dozens of abstractions that can be plugged in and out. Each abstract domain is a module, a type that represents abstract sets of values, as well as operators to model in the abstract world the effect of every instruction. The abstract interpretation theory also features a lot of higher order constructs that allow designing new abstract domains by combining and lifting existing ones. These are naturally mapped to OCaml functors. Astray employs many such functors in order to develop each language feature and each abstraction as independently as possible from the other ones. So we have functors to add disjunctions, to add pointers, to add control structure, and so on and so forth. This design has also allowed Astray to evolve quite significantly since 2001, while still reusing the abstractions that were designed early on. I should add that the static type checking and type inference of OCaml has helped us tremendously in designing Astray quickly and robustly. And finally, Astray's native code compiler has brought us all the efficiency we need for a tool that can be used in industry. Now, to go further, you can check Astray's webpage at www.astray.ins.fr and check the publications. There are also a couple of related projects. The first one is the open source Framacy verification platform, which includes a static analyzer, also programmed in OCaml. The other one is the Verasco project. It aims at creating a static analyzer certified in COC following the success of the Concert compiler. So, as you see, the OCaml programming language has been used to design applications that are successful in the real world. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this MOOC and that you'll build your own successful OCaml application.